Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a 2018 Toyota Corolla SE. This is a 5-passenger 4-door sedan in silver. Under the hood you'll find a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder driving on 17-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your sporty front end, turn signals on the side mirrors and a backup camera. But now why don't we hop inside this Corolla and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our trunk release button, which we'll get to in just a moment. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom of the door you will find some nice storage space, and above it you have your power windows and locks. Next to the door you have your power mirrors and a nice little button that is for your heated steering wheel, which is convenient. Equipped with all-weather mats and black mixed leather and fabric seating. On the bottom, you will find your manual seating adjustment buttons. Now let's hop inside. Start the Corolla up. First things first, we're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel. This cluster right here will allow you to navigate through your entertainment screen located in the center there. You also have your volume options and your voice recognition system. On the right, this cluster right here will allow us to navigate through our multi-information display. Underneath, you have your Toyota Safety Sense button with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. And you have your cruise control speed settings right behind the wheel there. Moving onto our screen right now, we are on audio sources. You have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between CD, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth device. This Corolla does have a backup camera. Moving down, we have our climate control system. Nice and simple. Of course, you got the temperature, intensity, and function with these nice, smooth buttons. Underneath is your 12-volt outlet, driver and passenger heated seats, USB and auxiliary port. Got a nice little storage compartment here. Behind the shifter, you have your driving sport mode, 2 cup holders, center console. You got this nice little shelf up top, and if we press that second button, that will give you access to the full center console. There's plenty of space in there. And lastly is the glove box. Let's open that up. Plenty of space. Does also feature your owner's manual. Just close that up. Before we open up the cargo, let's just take a quick look in the back. On the bottom you have some storage space just like the driver's side. Continuing with the all-weather mats. If we take a look in the center here, we can pull this down. That'll give you access to 2 cup holders and a nice little armrest. And lastly, if we look behind the front passenger seat, you do have a nice little pocket for some extra storage space. To open up, all we got to do is hold this button on our key fob and that trunk will open for us, nice and easy. We do have this nice little rubber mat protecting against any harsh objects you might be carrying. If we take a look underneath here, you do have your spare tire and the tools to change that in case that ever goes out on you. To close up, all we got to do is just give this a gentle push. Taking a last look at our 2018 Toyota Corolla. Once again, some of those great interior features include your power sunroof, heated seats, Bluetooth compatibility, and hands-free calling. There's still a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.